Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over adding and subtracting fractions. So if you're stuck, this will help you. You might want to have your Algebra 1 assignment open because this is going to go over question 1 and question 2 on that assignment so you can get some free answers. You might want to put this video on pause. Make sure you have that assignment handy to write in those answers. All right, so when we're adding fractions, remember the first thing that we need to do is make sure these bottom numbers are the same. Now, the nice thing about this one is that, kind of looks like a smiley face, these two bottom numbers are already the same for us, so that is a little less work for us. Bottom numbers are the same. Step 2, we just need to add these two top numbers. The bottom number will stay the same on our answer, and then we just need to reduce the fraction. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put a little equal sign. My fraction line. 4 plus 2 is 6. Bottom number stays the same, so that's 9. Now we need to reduce the fraction, and the reason why we're reducing the fraction is because that's what they do in the AccuPlacer, and I just want to make sure that you guys get that practice so you feel prepared for that test. All right. Tell you a secret, I'm not an actual math teacher. I struggled with math in high school, so here are some tricks that I learned to make it easier to reduce fractions if you're not a math person. Start by trying to divide by 2, by 3, or by 5 until you can't divide by one of those numbers anymore. So I can't divide by 2. I know I can divide by 3 though, so I'm going to divide both the top and the bottom by 3, and that would equal 9 divided by 3 is 3, 6 divided by 3 is 2. All right, I can't divide anymore, so that is the most reduced this fraction can get, 2/3. So your answer for number 1 on your Algebra 1 assignment is 2/3. All right, subtracting fractions is going to be almost the exact same steps. Step 1, you got to make sure those bottom numbers are the same. Then you would just subtract the top two numbers and then reduce. All right, so this one, the bottom numbers aren't the same for us. We got to do a little bit of work to make them the same. So look at these two numbers and kind of try to decide how they are related. I am not a huge math person, but I do know that if I multiply 5 by 2, I could get 10. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to multiply 5 times 2. So 5 times 2 is 10. If I do it to the bottom, when I'm making the bottom numbers the same, I got to do it to the top 2. So I did 5 times 2. I got to do 2 times 2, and that's 4. All right. And I have 7/10. These bottom two numbers are the same. Now I can get to the actual subtracting part. So 7 minus 4, we're just going to subtract the top numbers, bottom numbers stay the same. 7 minus 4 is 3. Bottom numbers stay the same. So I have 3/10. I'm going to try to reduce the fraction first by dividing by 2, then 3, and then 5. So I can't divide by 2. I could divide 10 by 2, but I can't divide 3 by 2. So I can't divide by 2 on this fraction. I can't divide by 3, and I can't divide by 5. So this is the reduced form of that fraction. So number 2 on Algebra 1 assignment is 3/10. Remember, you have to make the bottom numbers the same, subtract or add the top two numbers, and then reduce. Hopefully that helps you with subtracting and adding fractions. If you have any questions, you can always feel free to come and ask. See you later.